Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today in this video I want to discuss in detail regarding stream training, like number of days the training will be and the retest details and the project details after the training, all those things in this video. Firstly, regarding stream training, so stream training will begin after your primers assessment. Regarding primers and primer assessment details, I already made a video giving the link in top. You can go and watch that video for further clarification. So firstly you will get a mail for stream preferences, and then there will be different streams visible there, so you have to order them according to your preferences. Like first one, this is my preference, second one, this is my preference, like that you have to order all of them. And these streams will be not same for all. Based on your role you will get these streams. So on whatever the streams you got, you can give preferences in them. So after you give your preferences, they will allocate you with one stream. So it will be based on the business demands, guys. So based on your preferences, there isn't any rule that your first preference will be allocated to you. They might allocate other stream also based on the business demands. So there won't be option to change it. So whatever the stream allocated to you, you have to be in that only. So for ASC there will be some streams, for advanced ASC there will be few different streams, and for SASA there will be few other streams. So you will get the stream from whatever the available options that are there in your list only. But in that list there is no rule that you will get your first preference only. You might get your second, third or any other preference. So once you got your stream, then your stream training will begin. And then meanwhile in stream training periodic assessments will be conducted, and after completing all the assessments you will get your results. So we already discussed that overall results should be 60%, or according to your offer letter. Check your offer letter what was mentioned. So now let's see more details regarding the stream. Firstly, number of days. So how many days your training will be. So there isn't any fixed time frame, guys, like it will be 1 month, it will be 2 months. So there is no fixed time frame like that, because it will be depending on the stream that you get. Some streams may take more days and few streams will take only less number of days. As I already discussed here, for ASC, for advanced ASC, like what are the different roles available, there will be a different list of streams. So based on those streams, for few streams it may take a longer time, like few take 6 weeks and some take 2 to 4 weeks, like that. For example, I am saying that. And we already saw that streams will be given based on your role. So for few streams, mostly for advanced ASC, I saw that they will get some lengthier streams. Somewhat they took longer days, and for ASC there will be different pattern. So don't compare yourself with other streams. And coming to coding, so again it will be depending on the stream that you get. For few streams, yes, definitely there will be coding. So for example, consider that there are few streams like SFDC, SAP, Java, testing, and then big data streams. So for example, in Java there will be definitely coding, and so it depends on whether you got that stream or not. So I am saying this for example only. And for big data also there is stream, and some also may get testing. It depends on your role. So mostly what I observed was, according to my friend circle, so for SASA people they didn't give any coding. Mostly for advanced ASC only there is coding, and for ASC people mostly they gave SAP. So this isn't fixed, guys. I am saying based on my analysis from my friend circle. So mostly for SASA there is no coding, they give other streams, because mostly SASA people are from degree background or BCom, like that. So don't worry. So finally, in whatever stream that you got, there will be periodic assessments. For example, consider that your stream was 4 weeks, and in that 4 weeks consider that you have exams, like 4 exams. So for every week there is exam. So for example only I am saying that. So your final results will be score in those 4 exams plus your primers exam score. That has to be 60%. In case if you haven't got 60%, then RT1 and RT2 retests will be there. Retest 1 and retest 2. Now let's discuss that what are these retests in detail. So total there will be 3 attempts. Your first attempt will be already you will be writing that, So once you got your final results, that will be your first attempt completed. So in case if you have got 60% there itself, then don't worry. Then your RT1 will be your second attempt, and then your RT2, that is retest 2, will be your third attempt. So in total there will be 3 attempts. So first attempt was your main attempt. In that if you qualified, then you don't need to worry. So in case if you haven't, then there will be retests. So that retest will be a single exam, so there won't be a separate retest for primers exam again and a separate retest for a weekly exam again, like that. It will be a single exam again, RT1. So again in that retest 1, you will have the questions whatever you have learned till now. So that is your stream training and primers. So for example, consider that you have written primers and then 4 stream exams and you got only 50%. So that means you are not qualified. So in this case you have to write RT1. So in this RT1 you will have all the questions from that 4 stream exams and primers. Questions in the sense, I am not speaking exact questions, topics, whatever the topics you have learned till now. So all topics will be there in RT1. So that is your single retest exam. They will let you know about the pattern of this test. So pattern will be changing here. In case you have failed in coding assessment, so there will be retest for that coding assessment also. And in case if you are not qualified in the RT1 also, then you have to give RT2, retest 2. So this will be your final attempt, that is third attempt. So you have to qualify here. In case you haven't qualified, according to the offer letter, next step will be termination. Maximum no one will come up to this stage, everyone will be qualified, so don't worry. And then next question coming to your mind will be regarding project. So we already discussed this 4 weeks example here. So for few streams, after successful completion of this 4 weeks training, then they may allocate projects. But for coming to few streams, there will be projects parallelly. So for few streams it will be like after completion of that whole training, then projects will be allocated. But for few streams, projects will be allocated parallelly also. Like they will give firstly 1 week of training and then parallelly they will allocate project, and then one session will be there per week. So for example, I am saying that, and then periodic assessments, final results, RT1 and RT2 will be common. So even though you got project parallelly, these assessments and results and retest will be common. So whatever the thing you are getting will be depending on your role and your stream. So for some of my friends, they are ASC, and for some people they got SAP stream. So as I discussed previously, they gave starting some days training, like some 10 days or so, but later parallelly they got project also. So every week they will be having some connects regarding this training, and remaining time they will be working on project. And assessments will be common, like for every 2 weeks there will be assessment based on the stream you get. So what I meant to say here was, for some people or for some streams there will be training regularly and project will be allocated after successful completion of training. But for few streams or few roles there will be weekly training and project can be allocated parallelly. Not only ASC, Advanced ASC and SASA guys, just for example I am referring these roles. There are many other roles. So whatever you get, it will be depending on your role. Whatever I discussed are just for example purpose, but overall the process will be like that. So hope that you got idea on stream training and assessments and all. In case if you have any queries, please join in the Telegram channel and we can discuss there, or you can ask in comments or mail me. So that's it for this video guys. Do share, like and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updates.